another one of your things that you've done too, we've seen you acting, all right? As, what did they call you when I seen you again? Grabsy, all right?
That's the acting part of it now. Performing arts. Self-taught performing arts, automatically you can adjust yourself to any character, any principles, anything. So you see that self-taught performing arts is just so hype. Just say, nuts can do it. I could go for Professor now and make him, see if him can play the part of Grabsy. And I did it.
Yeah.
We just become Grabsy.
Yeah, but you could, listen, when you seen your character, just looking at your character, you wanted to laugh, just looking at your character. You know what I mean? Every time I seen it, it seemed like this character was always into some get-rich-quick scheme, some kind of something.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Ginal is the first camera in Jamaica, Grabsy, you know. You see, you love the foolishness, you know. Yes. All right. Grabsy are the first cameraman. Yes, I can tell you, being Grabsy, you know, you have to be cunning. You are the person that people would love to hate. But them can't hate you because of your charisma or you come across to them.
They have a love-hate relationship.
Yeah. So I am always there for them. But in the meantime, I scam them and then friend them up back because, for instance, there was a part now where it just improvising and it just come in, you know, spontaneously, you know. Get a money, get a deposit for hype. They say, hype. Look here, I get a deposit for you, and I have it here. You don't have to worry. I'm going to pocket and take it and say, yo, this is 50,000. Put it in your pocket and don't make nobody see because there are a lot of beggars around here. Hype, go and check the money. Where you check it for? I give you 50,000. Why are you checking it? Yeah. Put it in your pocket because too much beggars here. But hype the pants. 1, 2, 3, 4. So me go and say, but if you count it, you can get 45.
Yo, listen. What?
If you put it in your pocket, 50. If you check it, it's going to be 45.
Yo.
And I have a good explanation, you know. Let's say, man, that brother there.
Grabsy, boss.
Grabsy.
Oh, it's the right, they gave that man the right name, Grabsy.
Everybody love Grabsy, man. Because the things that we come across with. And the way we, you know, articulately say certain things, you know. No, it's indifferent, man.
No, man, that was funny.
And all them little funny part is me spontaneously put them in and them have to rewrite the script because it was just a bit, you know, no little spunk, you know. And let me say, I would be a good writer. I would be a good show writer if I was supposed to write because whatever me I put in, I can mash up the whole thing. People just laugh from beginning to end. That's what I'm gifted for. But I cannot take a boring sitcom or a boring movie.
That's not you at all. You just seem like naturally you're a vibes person.
Exactly.
You're just vibes.
Yeah.
You're serious when it's time to be serious, you know.
Exactly.
But like besides that, you're just vibes.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of vibes.
All the little part that we have the funny night and me automatically just drop them in.
When you want to go stole the banana chips. When the lyrics in the girl.
No, don't even think about it. Then lucky, me did the one where we there one dance. Like a girl beg me, me beg a girl a dance. And back her up on a mango tree and she depend. Grabsy. You know, me hungry, but come buy me a curry goat now, me depend. Cool now, baby. You know, see, chum, just let me just finish that little dance, you know, man. You know, them rubber dub dance thing. Yeah, man, she depend. But me hungry, man. I want something for drink too. Me say, behave yourself, baby, love. Me say, me soon get something for you eat, man. And she depend, all right then, and me depend. No worry yourself, man. I will find something for you and I feel out the green mango them out. That alone, oh, that kill people.
Yo,
Said, no worry, man. I soon find something for you to eat, but I feel a green
Just go on
mango.
that.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, me say, cause the mango them did low, you know. That Julie mango tree, up on the root, the pan, and I feel out the mango them. I said, we soon get something for you to eat, man. They said, that alone, man. If we come up with that, I didn't want to put that in the next episode before there. Oh, God. Somebody got to live.
Yeah. Did you act in The Bartender also?
The what?
The Bartender. That's the one with Orville Expressions.
The bartender. I don't remember.
Was the only acting you've done was in Me and My Kru?
Me and my crew.
Okay.
Right. That's the only acting.
I'd swear, I don't know why I thought it was.
Yes,
I was
no.
mixing up for Bartender also.
No.
But another time we seen you on TV, and this was a long stint too, was for the
They all
Magnum Kings and Queen.
That was more like a judging, you know.
But we've seen your personality shine through. This is where we're hearing Rugadat and all of that. This is where we're seeing Professor Nuts
Professor
in
Nuts.
his element.
Yes, because you know you get to express yourself. Just be the person you are. You understand me? And you get to develop certain slangs and styles and everything. Because you know Magnum are arms out, so you can't come with a little rugu and them thing there.
Yeah.
And that's now that is what you call the catch line through the television. You use the eyes of the television to bring a catch line to the world. So when you say rugu, everybody love that because if my little lady in our, old grandmother, the little old grandmother catch on to the rugu thing, but she have false teeth and, she can't say rugu too hard. So she said, rugu, Mr. Nuts, rugu. Sweet, She can't say rugu, she say rugu. So, you just come in a catchphrase where everybody, me did come with one first, Kick out. Me did come with the kick out, and me kicking the ball in them, and it's like you score that, it's a score that, and then me just change it from the kick out, because everybody pick up that like there's some DJ, like, kick out, and me say, all right, me change it to rugu. And first it was ruhu,
It was Ruhu.
Yeah. Ruhu. That was the shot. Yeah, when times ruhu for that one, and everybody love it in ruhu. But Jamaican can't bother with the emphasis because we are nothing with H, the business. Rugu.
That one.
It's on
there.
rugu.
Yeah, that one.
We
there.
have to live with it. Yeah, give them a rugu for that. Give them a rugu, and it just become rugu.
Yeah.
Me have to give them bit.
How many seasons did you do on Magnum King and Queen?
Well, we had Skeleton Time season and we had Powlat season. Oh, sorry. Let me put the good, the right concept. Me, I eat that though.
You're okay. If you're an idiot, you're the smartest idiot that I've ever come across in my life.
Yeah, man, my head no good, man. My head no good, man. Need prayers and counseling. Yes, we did how much? 11 seasons of Magnum.
That's how
And
many
that's
you did.
11 years.
That's how much you did, boss.
11 seasons.
Yeah.
And they come in like, time just flies like that, eh?
But I think that's part of what kept you in the
In
people's
the
sight.
people's sight.
So as an artist,
In
but
the
now they know you as like a TV personality. So you just put
The
everything.
young generation, that's where them know Professor Nut from. Because they didn't know that there was a Professor Nut. Them hear the name, but they don't know the person. So that TV, that Magnum thing did a good part of my exposition. When we get my vocabulary, it's not expose, exposition.
Exposition. Barry G. We're
Barry
gonna blame
G.
Barry G.
Yeah, man, the man full of argument is Sebastian. The man have some words, some vocabulary there, and them connect. Anyway, so it exposed me a lot. Younger generation see me and say, yeah, man, and then now me as a judge, judging the younger generation, you know, them look up to me for good comments. And that's it. And, you know, them know, say, boy, Professor, no, when Professor don't pass, he'll pass. As a judge.
Yeah. From you, sir, Ruga that?
Rugo that. Yeah,
Rugo
from you
that.
give him the Rugo man, you're gone. Because them know anybody may give the Rugo man.
Shut right through. Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.